lid on that. Oh, string's getting all attached. You could put that way. You could take the lid down and then decorate this. Or you could have it that way and it opens up. I'm going to do it that way so they have to lift it up. Just a little bit different. And of course, remember to ink it before you tape it down. Which is what I didn't do. Now I got to do it cack-handed. Lid. Right, I'm going to put some lace on that. I don't know where. There. It just gives it that little bit of something, doesn't it? Bit of lace. Where's that come from? Teddy bear. I don't know where that's come from. I don't do cute things. So I'm going to put that on there. And I want something in there. So another thing that you can do is, what are these actually called? I don't know what these are called. Clusters? I don't know. I made these. I did put a picture of them up. So it's just a bit of script paper, bit of brown paper, and then some stickers and some washi tape on. So there's 1, 2, 3. So these can all be used as embellishments. 4. Oh God. 5. Butterfly. And these are all just made with scraps of paper. Nothing else. Just scraps of paper. Just find the one that looks the best after you've done. I normally make loads of these. Like batch them up. That's not staying on now, is it? I've got to remember that this is going to lift up, so whatever I have can't go above it, which is fine. So we will have it that way then. There we go. So this one is going to lift up. And the stuff will be in there. That's where you can put loads of little bits. So that's how to do some envelopes. And you can do the envelopes in any size you want. They don't have to be